So we talk about what is LaTeX, Tech Studios, the tool, and why should we use LaTeX for legal documentation. So LaTeX is a document preparing system widely used in academia, publishing, and legal professionals for precise formatting, automated numbering, and professional typography. Unlike Word, it is based on code. Uh, it can automatically do a lot of stuff for us. For example, when we are writing a big application, different chapters, we have different images, we have different citation that get auto uploaded. And if we are managing a page, and it's practically impossible to use 500 pages and have a single PDF for 500 pages that you could easily organize. So LaTeX is code based and it can help us create long application files which can be reproduced without a problem. A practical problem that I saw is, for example, if somebody did an EB to NIW and the same person wants to do the EB1A, LaTeX can help us almost instantaneously use everything that we had from the past and update it using GenAI. So all of the knowledge that we had, LaTeX can upload it. But if we had the same thing in PDF or if we had the same thing in Word, it cannot be handled by GenAI easily. GenAI is bad when it comes to generating words for Microsoft Doc and updating the table number, moving the tables around, moving the chapters around, and doing all kind of stuff. So when we are talking about big files, big books, we use LaTeX. So lawyers should use LaTeX. It makes our exhibit, sections, citations, table of content. So wherever as a standard when we want to handle 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 pages, we would use that. The citation is also very helpful. We can have in-page citation, end of the chapter citation. We can have easy header footer that could be checked. We can have nice table numbers. So it's very easy. It's also easy to share and work on the same document using Git. So in a Word, you cannot have two people working in the same Word. But here you can have two people working on different section, different chapter, and they can still merge in the code. So if I have a chapter and six people are working, I can see. Also the clients or whoever is working can see your update on a day-to-day basis once you put your LaTeX code on the Git. So sharing is easy. Each people can work on independent part and see what the other person is doing. The table management, citation management is easy, and integration with GenAI is also easy. So all of these things make LaTeX a very good option. Now don't worry, GenAI is going to do most of the coding. We should just have a little bit idea about how to handle errors and what this is about. So LaTeX is made up of a preamble and body. The first is use package and what we want to do. Then we have begin document, end document. We have this bibliography, and then we have sections. If you do sections, it gives the number of sections easily. So you can add a section before, you can add a subsection, and you don't need to worry about numbering. If you want to add a citation, it also handles it very easily. So long documents, 1000 pages or more, the Word is going to crash anyway. Plus, if you update an image, you will have to go into the Word and paste the image, and it can blow out anything. In LaTeX, you can just point the images to an image folder, and it's going to auto upload the image. You can also, if you're writing research paper, this is important. So all of this also helps you to write research paper and article that you could use to promote your work or publish your work as a research paper later. So always you have the option to convert your final LaTeX to a doc file. You can generate LaTeX, you can tweak LaTeX, you can find errors from the LaTeX, you can add graphics in the LaTeX, you can even generate nice pictures in the LaTeX like timelines. So if you're making a case and you want to show timelines, what happened in the last 6 months, LaTeX can generate a very nice graphical figure that this thing happened in this month, this thing happened in this month, and this thing happened now. So you don't have to use words. So LaTeX can create very nice charts, timeline charts, other type of charts that you want for your case for people to understand what this case is about and give also a professional look. And LaTeX can be integrated very easily with the GenAI tools to generate the error, to generate the code and fix the error. So, in this course, we will be looking at two examples of LaTeX. One is an EB2, and the other is a small dispute case that we use LaTeX and Ubuntu commands to make. So, LaTeX is course based, it saves time, it helps us to share the document, it helps us use GenAI, it accelerates our learning, and it saves us time on long documents, and it is easy to reproduce, and it has a lot of benefits. And That's why, and always we can convert the LaTeX document into Word, but vice versa is a little tricky. But we can always convert the LaTeX document into a Word document. So this was a quick intro to LaTeX for legal writing.